Whether you're serving seafood, chicken, or going with a classic like steak and eggs, Hollandaise takes the flavor to a whole new level. All right, we're going to need 3 egg yolks, a pinch of sea salt, half a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Microwave the butter until it's just melted. We don't want it too hot. We're going to set up a double boiler and whisk together our egg yolks, salt, and vinegar. You're going to keep whisking constantly. You're looking for the yolks to thicken slightly. They should be smooth and airy. Now we can start adding in our butter. We'll whisk in our melted butter a couple of tablespoons at a time, whisking thoroughly in between each addition to make sure it's well incorporated. You'll see it's starting to get very thick now. This is where I like to add in a couple of drops of cold water. It helps to stabilize the sauce a little bit and thin it down just enough so it can accept more butter. Take your time. This is where the magic happens. Once it thickens to a silky, glossy sauce, I like to add in half a teaspoon of lemon juice. It gives a little brightness to it. This is the thickness we're looking for right here. This will save nicely at room temperature for about 2 hours. So we'll just set this aside while we make the rest of our dish. I want to give a shout out to Jasmine. Thanks so much for requesting this one. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.